Hi, I'm going to talk about the phenomenon that is called volcanic lightning, also sometimes called a dirty thunderstorm. Basically, it's where there's lightning that has been produced in a volcano, and this is a picture of what it can look like. And as you can see, it's very big, very different looking from what we see through lightning just in a regular thunderstorm that we've experienced. And so that you can get an idea of what it looks like, I have a little video prepared. If you can see up in this corner, we can see that lightning gathering above the volcano. And like I said, it looks very different. We're experiencing some different colors than we would normally see in our lightning. And it gets very big, very kind of like in a cloud, which is a little bit different because it's up kind of, it almost looks like a mushroom cloud from like a big old bomb or something. It's very interesting to look at. It's very interesting to see and to compare to what we're used to in a thunderstorm here in Kansas. So going back to the presentation, some questions that we might have when looking at this is why is this lightning different than normal lightning that we experience? And we can see that it's a little bit different, obviously, because it's over a volcano, and also that there might be some different colors involved that we're not used to, that we can kind of make inferences of what we think is happening with those volcanoes and with the lightning that's involved there versus just, like I said, through lightning that we experience through thunderstorms here. Also, what do you think causes the volcanic lightning to be more intense from the volcano rather than our normal lightning? Again, what do we think is happening within that volcano to where the lightning is so much more vivid and more colorful almost than what we're used to? Because as we can see, even in our picture, we see that the colors are more vivid. We've got some more purple, some more reds in there versus just the strict bright flashes of white that we are used to seeing through our lightning. And the other thing is, what do you think could be caused by this volcanic lightning? Not only what causes it, but what do we think could happen from this lightning? Is there any other reactions that could happen from it? Anything else that could blossom up and cause even more issues within the volcano than we're already worried about through an actual volcano erupting and everything? And so we kind of get an experience of what that lightning is like, and we're able to compare it to the lightning that we're used to, and to be able to figure out why we think this is happening and what's actually going on down there to make that happen.